Hey everyone, we have this Master Chow 2x spicy chili oil. So let's check it out. This one is 170-gram jar and the MRP is 295, but we got it from Amazon for 188. Link is given in the description box. Its shelf life is 15 months. After opening the pack, you must keep it in the fridge, and it uses real Sichuan peppercorn, spices, garlic, red chilies. There is no MSG, artificial color or preservative, and the color is on deep red side. There is a layer of oil on top, and at the bottom there are plenty of crunchy chili flakes. It gives an aroma of roasted red chili. You can try it with momos, noodle, fried noodle. I eat medium spicy food, so for me this is truly 2x spicy. Its spiciness hits quite well, but it's not just about the chili. The earthy flavor that comes from the garlic and Sichuan peppercorn is truly amazing. Perfectly Chinese chili oil taste, nice smoky flavor. So if you are making plain Maggi or dim sum at home, just one spoon of this will make the taste food next level. Overall, if you are a spicy food lover, this might be medium for you, but for me, it's truly 2x spicy. So at 188, this Master Chow 2x chili oil is a complete must buy. Subscribe for more. Bye bye.